My name is Palo Mochafo. I come from Lesotho. Lesotho is a small country inside South Africa. Of about the area is approximately 30,000 square kilometers, and we are 1.8 people. I work for an organization called Southern Mountain Association for Rural Transformation and Development. The abbreviation is SMART. It's SMARTD. Some people will say it's SMART, some people will say it's SMART Development. We started, or let me say the organization is a community-based organization. We are right there with the grassroots. So it started because Christian Council used to have a project called Integrated Rural Development in that particular area. But the project started growing, and as a result of that, we are given autonomy to run our own affairs. So like I said, the organization is made of community, of people that are coming from various areas in the southeastern part of Lesotho. We deal with agroecology, where we encourage communities, to have indigenous seeds, their traditional seeds. And we have a group of women, about 200 of them, that have started on this program. We also assist youth, because also our area is remote. It's the mountain areas which is remote. So we encourage young people, because young people tend to want to migrate to bigger cities. We encourage them, to start looking at agriculture. Actually, what we do, we have a motto to say, it's cool to be a farmer. So we are trying to do that. We are trying to promote youth. We have a resource center, we have a computer lab, we have the Wi-Fi there, so that young people should come in. And then as soon as they come in, then we start talking about agriculture and way of life in the rural areas. Because we feel that older people are doing agriculture, but they are old. And if young people migrate, to big cities, in the end, there will be no one that is doing that. We are also involved in climate change adaptation programs. We have stoves that saves energy. We encourage community to use this type of stove. Everything from us is not free of charge. It's either we say we do conditional. If you do this, then we'll give you this. If you do this, then we'll do this. There's no free, because also we realize that community need to contribute, to their lives. The other thing, we do food processing. We grow a lot of peach in my country, peach, apple, apricot, grapes. So we sun dry them. We use traditional way to sun dry and also increase the shelf life. And there is also bottling of the same peach, making chutney, making all, things that are necessary for home craft in the women's space. What I can say is that our policy or our motto is that people in the rural areas know what they want. So there's no need of go and teach them, but there is a need to encourage them, to continue with their lifestyle, because their lifestyle was healthy. Let me say, for example, on the seed bank program, what we did is we went around and talked to the old women, asked them about their traditional seeds. And some of them kept them in their huts where they make fire so that they should preserve them. And they gave us a couple of those, and we have in each village we have a seed bank. Like I said, we have 200 women that are participating in this. So seed bank is a point of departure for other activities. The women start with seed bank, and then later they do income generation, they do sewing, they do all other things. But the point of departure is seed.